Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about how much energy I am utilizing during my event. So here first we're going to talk about what a MET is because this is the primary thing we're going to use throughout this PowerPoint. It's going to be your rate of energy expenditure per calorie or in calories per hour for a specific activity. The formula for this is just going to be the MET, which I'm going to talk about more here in the next slide, times your weight in kilograms, times whether or not you're male or female. So for male it'll be 1 and female will be 0.9. So here are the METs per kind of the events you guys do. For powerlifting, it's about 6 METs. Mild stretching is 2.5, so it's pretty low, but I wanted you guys know that even during the stretching process, you are burning calories. Running, if it's a 7.5 minute per mile, it's about 13.5 METs, and then all the way down to 5 minute per mile, it's 18 METs. So then we have running on the track team / practice. This is going to be your sprinters in mid-distance for the most part, and those are going to be 10 METs. Shot put, discus hammers, 4 METs, and then your jumps and javelin is 6 METs, and steeple, chase, and hurdles is 10 METs. What you guys need to know is for the running events, it's a 7.5 minute mile pace. So you will be running that for 60 minutes to obtain the 13.5 METs. However, there's a way to calculate it down for if it's only a half hour or however long or the duration of your workout is. So let's go through an example. Who burns more calories? A female high jumper who trains 60 minutes with the weight of 120 pounds, or a male thrower who shot put 60 minutes and weighs 260 pounds. Or lastly, a female distance runner who runs a 7.5 minute per mile pace for 30 minutes and weighs 90 pounds. So I know a lot of you put on the quiz all are equal. The male thrower or the female distance runner, those were the primary answers. Let's talk about this. So a female jumper. Okay, so what impacts the calories burnt is the event you're doing, which will give us the different METs. It's going to be your weight. It's going to be your gender, although that is very slight, being 1 to 0.9. It's going to be the duration of the workout. So based on these, for one, there's only one male, so that gender burns the most. 2, the duration, the female high jumper and the male thrower both competed or practiced for 60 minutes rather than the 30 minutes the runner did. Next is going to be your weight. The male thrower is significantly heavier than the other 2 athletes. And the last thing is going to be your event, and the female distance runner is going to burn the most per hour. However, they're only working out for the 30 minutes. So based on that, you can kind of narrow your options down to the male thrower or the female distance runner. But it's pretty safe to guess that someone who weighs twice as much and is practicing for twice as long, there's a good chance the male thrower is going to end up on burning more calories. So here's the example. So the female distance runner, you're going to take the weight divided by 2.2 to get kilograms. We've been doing this quite a bit. Then you're going to take it times the METs. And then for the female distance runner, you're taking it times 0.5 because it's 30 minutes, half of an hour. And then times the female of 0.9. And you get 249 calories burnt in the 30 minutes she was running. Next is the male thrower. You take the weight, get it down to kilograms, and then times it by the METs, times it by 1 hour, and then the 1 because he's a male, you get 473. So already he is over about doubled what the female distance runner had burned. Last is the female high jumper, and you got the 120 divided by the 2.2 for kilograms, and 6 mets times the 1 times the 0.9 because they're female, and you get the 295 calories. All right, thank you for watching, and you guys have a really good day.